Hello, and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to submit assignments in Canvas. If you haven't already, please be sure to review and complete the tasks covering Canvas setup to ensure that you've linked your Google Drive to your Canvas account. You'll find this tutorial in the Orientation module under Canvas Setup. To submit an assignment, first select the assignment you wish to submit. Here in the upper right-hand corner, there's a small Submit Assignment tab. Select that. Near the middle of your screen, you will see a submission box. There are multiple means of submitting your assignment. I urge you to complete your assignment in a Google Doc to avoid possible problems with loss of work that can happen with direct text entry. But you are free to submit the work however you like using the Canvas interface. I will now show you how to upload a Google Doc. Be sure to have completed this assignment before submitting it. Click the Google tab along the top of the submission area. Find and select the assignment you have completed. Once you've done that, submit the assignment. On the right-hand side, you'll see that your submission has been accepted, the time that it was accepted. I think it's a good practice to check your submission details. You can see here that the document has been submitted. In the comment area, if you have any additional information to add regarding this assignment, you can add it here. To submit a text entry, we'll do the same thing. Once you've selected Submit Assignment, you'll see the submission box appear again. On this box, select the Text Entry tab. When you submit an assignment using text entry, you will have to copy and paste the questions into the text entry box. You will directly interact with the contents of the text entry box. Once you've completed the prompts, select Submit Assignment. Click on Submission Details, and you'll be able to view the text that was uploaded. I hope this brief tutorial helps you understand how to submit an assignment on Canvas. As always, if you have any problems or questions, please contact me so I can help. Have a great day, and go kids!